Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to talk about the types of broker that are available in market. So in case if you are new to the market and you have not already have enrolled with any of the broker, then this video is very important for you. So basically there are two types of broker. One is full service broker and another is discount broker. So when it comes to full service broker, as the name suggests, they basically gives the entire service that is available or applicable for a given stock market. That is, of course, first of all, they are going to give you a trading platform which you can use to do your stock trading or even stock investment. Apart from that, they are going to give you tips which we already said that please don't go for it. But the other important service which you can consider is the tax advice. So basically, they can give you a tax advice depending on your current income and your current investments, that what is the optimum level of investments that should be done to make sure that you pay as little tax as possible. Apart from that, retirement planning or any other financial goals like children's education, children marriage, or any other thing that you might have, full service broker will be able to help you. So obviously, these services don't come free. So your broker may charge you some money for it. So if you see some example, in US we have Edward Jones, in India we have Sher Khan. So these are full service brokers in respective countries. Now coming to a discount broker. So as the name suggests, they will be giving you some discount. Discount in services and discount in the prices. So of course, they are going to give you a trading platform which you can use to do a stock trading or even investments. But the major difference is they will not give you any investment advice. So basically, they will just take your order and place it in the stock exchange. They are not going to do anything more than that. So if you need any tax advice or any financial goal planning, they will not be able to help you. And since they don't give you all those services, they are pretty less expensive compared to the full service brokers. So if you take example of US, we have First Trade as a discount broker there. Similarly in India, we have Zerodha. So the summary here is that depending on what exactly you want from a broker, please enroll only with such kind of a broker. If you want to have a retirement planning, tax advices, or all those extra services, go for full service broker. In case you are confident with all those things and you just want a broker who can place a request on your behalf with the stock exchange, then you can go with discount broker. That's all for the video. Thank you very much.